Okay, so today's question is count operations to obtain zero. So you are given two non-negative integers num1 and num2. In one operation, if num1 is greater than equals to num2, you must subtract num2 from num1. Otherwise, subtract num1 from num2. Okay. For example, if num1 is 5 and num2 is 4, then we will write basically we will separate this num2 from num1 because num1 is greater, and after obtaining it will be num1 equals to what? 1, and still num2 is equals to 4. Okay. And we will repeat the process. Okay. Now we have to return the number of operations required to make either num1 or num2 equals to 0. So I think it's very simple question, right? Just we will write a loop here. Okay, first of all, write a, I will initialize the count with 0, and I will write while this num1 equals to 0. Okay, num1 is not equal to 0. Okay, and this num2 is also not equal to 0. This if any one of either of anyone is 0, then the loop will break, right? So first of all, what we'll do here, we'll add, we will, yeah, okay. So we will what we'll do simply we will increase the count, okay, because number of operation is increased here, right? Now what we'll write if the num1 is if num1 is what? If num is 1 is greater than or equals to num2, okay, not nums2, I will just a second, okay, num2, here I will write simply num1 equals to num1 minus num2, okay, and I will write else, okay, I will write else num2 equals to num2 minus num1, okay, simple, and we will return the count. Okay, see, so let's see, was very simple question, I guess. Okay, see. Okay, so I hope you all understood this approach. I think you all could be understood very easily because it's very simple question. Okay, so yeah, then thank you.